This is You Are My King, Amazing Love in the key of C by Billy Foote. And as always, stop the video. You can click on the description below, and I have the chord sheet that you can print out and follow along with me. So I've simplified this song down to the absolute basics. Easy to play. We have 3 chords, C, F, G. So let's go through those real quick. So we have a C chord, which is made up of C, E, G. Then let's come down here to the F chord, F, A, C. G chord, just move up 1 note, G, B, D. Okay, so we have a C chord, F, G. Pretty simple. All right, let's put thumb on C in our left hand, line up your 5 fingers, and then you don't have to move your hand the whole song. So let's play single note with our C chords. So C in the bass, C chord in the right hand. F, F note, and G. Okay? The rhythm that we're going to do to bring the 2 hands together is like this. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. You can practice that on the F chord, G chord, and so on. Okay? All right, let's see how the 2 hands come together in adding in some vocals. Okay, so let's look at verse 1. And we're going to just start on that C. So it's just going to repeat C chord, F chord, G chord, C chord, F chord, G chord, okay? Let's bring in that rhythm. I'm forgiven because you were forsaken, and I'm accepted, you were condemned, and I'm alive and well, your spirit is within me. That nice marching rhythm. Okay, let's look at the chorus. C chord starts us out. Then we're going to go into a little bit different chord progression. So you're using the same 3 chords. They're just changing the order in which we play the chords, okay? Amazing love, how can it be? C chord, that you, my king, would die for me. Bridge is very simple. You're just going to kind of vamp on that C chord all the way through. You are my king, Jesus, you are my king, and Jesus, you, and you can kind of build up that anticipation a little bit by kind of getting it a little bit. You are my king. Go to that chorus. Amazing love, how can it be? And so on. Okay? All right, I'm going to play it beginning to end. This one's pretty simple. You can go back to the beginning if you need a little help. Here we go. And I'm forgiven because you were forsaken, and I'm accepted. Again. you, my King, would die for